Hey guys, what is up? This is Saurabh welcoming you to yet another video on my channel, and today I'm gonna give you my full review of High Ticket Hero. So right now I'm inside the members area of High Ticket Hero, so I'll be showing you what all there inside the members area. I'll be showing you my bonuses which I'm offering if you decide to pick up High Ticket Hero using my link, which is in the description down below. And we'll be also taking a look at the sales page. And finally, I'm going to give you my verdict whether this product is good for you or not. So make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I don't want you to miss out on any of my points. So basically, in a nutshell, High Ticket Hero is all about getting results in your affiliate marketing business using Facebook. Yes, just using your Facebook profile without running any paid ads, how you can succeed. And if this is something that interests you, I've got custom bonuses which I've crafted for you guys to complement this product. So you can access those bonuses by clicking on the link in the description down below, and that will take you to this particular bonus page. And make sure you pick up your bonuses before the countdown timer runs out. So once you scroll down, you can make the purchase from here by clicking on any of these buttons, and that will take you to the sales page from where you can make the purchase on Warrior Plus. So talking about the bonuses, the number one bonus which I'm offering you is 60 minutes one-to-one coaching call with me. So in this particular call, we can discuss about how you can set up a High Ticket Hero, or we can discuss about any aspect of your online business. So it's going to be 1 hour one-on-one with me. The next bonus which I'm going to give you is I'm going to give you 30 days of ready-made Facebook posts. So these are ready to go Facebook posts for which you don't have to think. You just have to paste them on your profile or on your page, and you'll be good to go. So as the product High Ticket Hero is all about Facebook, where they talk about you need to make posts. So I've got it covered with that aspect through my bonus. The next bonus which I'm going to give you is I'm going to give you the Facebook Messenger script. Well, again, this is my special bonus for you guys, and that is going to help you a lot because in this training, you will learn how to interact with people on Facebook Messenger. So this particular script which I'm going to give it to you, that is going to help you a lot in achieving that. The next bonus which I'm going to give you is I'm going to show you how to run Facebook ads. So once you start getting results using Facebook organic strategies, then it's time to scale up using Facebook ads. So I've got you covered with that paid traffic as well. And the next bonus, you're going to get all the vendor bonuses inside the members area, and all these bonuses will be available right inside your Warrior Plus dashboard once you make the purchase. So now let me take you inside the members area of High Ticket Hero. So this is how the members area looks like, and you have got the various training modules on the left hand side. The first is the welcome video, and then there is the overview, then there is the setting up, how to optimize your profile for business, how to select the products to promote. Then it's all about content creation, finding inspiration, going through my posts. So here Dan is showing you how you need to create the content, and he will show you his posts. So again, as I told you in my bonus, I've got you covered with this, so you don't have to think. I'm giving you 30 days of ready to go Facebook posts. Then you will find that targeted traffic. You will learn how to find the targeted traffic, and once you find the traffic, you need to learn how to talk to the prospects, and that's where my messenger script is going to help you immensely. And then there is this 21-day challenge which Dan is giving you to implement all the steps. And let me tell you, the training inside for High Ticket Hero, I personally implement the same in my business as well. And in order to get results on Facebook using organic strategies, you have to follow some steps religiously. You have to follow some basics. You need to understand how the Facebook algorithm works, and how you need to brand your profile, how you need to optimize the profile the right way. And that is what this is all being covered in this High Ticket Hero. Now coming to the price point of high ticket hero, the front end of high ticket hero is only for $12.95. So you are going to get the high ticket hero training modules. The pro version is going to cost you $27, and here you will find out how they tap into 20 times more traffic in the same amount of time. So it's the advanced training inside high ticket hero. The next upsell is going to be the done for you campaign. So you're going to get 30 done for you campaigns that has been personally created for you guys, and all you have to do is copy and paste your way to success. The next upsell you're going to get is the done for you super funnel that is going to cost you $247, and you will be able to import a done for you funnel which these guys are using, and you can just build your list and earn commissions daily using that. The next upsell is the license rights, and that is going to cost you $197. And using that, you can sell High Ticket Hero as your own and earn commission throughout the whole funnel. And finally, the upsell number 5 is the one-on-one coaching for $197. So you will get 1 hour coaching session with Dan on how to use High Ticket Hero to its full potential, or answer any internet marketing questions. So again, for this one, I've got you covered with my bonus where I'm also offering you 60-minute coaching call for absolutely free. And now let's have a look at the sales page of High Ticket Hero. So this is how the sales page looks like. The headline says, our ultimate no selling system that we use to generate $1,000 days without spending a dime. That is absolutely true. It's a no selling system. You are not selling directly using the Facebook organic strategies that you will learn. And yes, you don't need to pay for any ads to implement the system. And then there are some more information from Dan and Philip about this system, this program. This is Dan Khan. And next, you can see why should you join High Ticket Hero. And it's a pretty lengthy sales page, so you can have a look whenever you get time. So who this product is for, that's the main question which I want to answer to you. So this is for anyone who wants to learn the organic Facebook marketing strategies, or who wants to add another traffic source in their business. Maybe they are using Facebook, maybe they are using Instagram, and now they want to add the Facebook as well in their business. So this particular course is the best way to get started, along with my bonuses. So you will learn entirely about the Facebook organic marketing strategies. So basically it is for anyone who wants to get started with Facebook organic marketing, and this is especially good for people who are getting started into online business. They can just leverage their Facebook profile. They don't need to use any other tool. They don't need to build any list. So they can get started with Facebook, and you can start getting results, and then you can take it to the next level by implementing the paid traffic, the funnels, and the list building aspects of the business. So guys, this is all about my review of High Ticket Hero, and I hope you got some value out of it. And if you got some value, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're watching this on YouTube. And if you have any questions regarding High Ticket Hero, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Cheers.